years and our home is still so quiet.
I still believe our miracle will come.
Maybe it's time we let each other go.
Please, before we end this, let's try IVF. Don't let our story end before we've tried everything.
The fact still remains that you can still create high quality realistic videos with free tools, not just one tool. You cannot use one free tool to create up to 3 minutes video. No, this app that I generated this video from, you can create a 3 minutes video from this app daily with different email, not with one email, because this app gives you 30 seconds videos every day, just like Flow AI and the rest. It gives you free credits daily. Okay, and some people has been complaining that this app doesn't make their characters talk. Yes, it is true. When I was trying to generate this video that you just watched, I experienced something like that. The first video that I generated was not talking, the second one wasn't talking, but then I was able to find a way to make the characters speak. So you may want to stick around till the end of this video, because I'll be sharing how I was able to make the characters talk. Without wasting much of your time, permit me to hold your hand and walk you gingerly through the tool that I used to generate this video. So guys, I'll be sharing my screen with you all. So you have to go to Play Store or App Store and download Dola AI. This is the logo here, Dola AI. Okay, so after downloading it, you have to sign in. If you are using it for the first time, of course you have to sign in. You have to choose the particular email that you want to sign in with. So after signing in, it will bring you to this interface where it says, "Hey there, I am Dola, your helpful assistant. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, or anything that is on your mind. How can I help you today?" The good thing is that you can still ask it questions. You can create images here and you can generate your videos as well. Okay, so after that, we are going to click, you see image here and you see video here. So this is the first time that I'm trying the app actually, so I just want us to try it together so that you will see how it works. So under image they have a Seedream 5.0 Pro and Seedream 4.5, Seedream or Seedream. Okay, so they have a style. This is the style of your images in case you want to choose from here. Then under ratio they have aspect ratio, then they have a outpaint, and they have upscale. So I went to ChatGPT and said, "Can you give me a short emotional story about a couple living in the city of Lagos? They have been married for 5 years without a child. So the husband wants a divorce while the wife is opting for IVF. Make it 3 scenes and each scene should not be more than 8 seconds." Okay, because this app generates it has 6 seconds, it has 8 seconds, and it has 10 seconds. So I don't want the scene to be more than 8 seconds. Okay, now I said add image and video prompt, lightning, style, camera angles, audio, dialogue, audio/dialogue. Okay, you guys know that audio is different from dialogue. So then I said make it relatable and emotional, not exaggerated. Add other necessary things, ultra realistic and detailed. I said add other necessary things just in case I forgot something, you know. So now ChatGPT said here is a realistic, emotionally grounded 3 scene sequence, blah blah blah. So guys, this is the thing that gave me the prompt. So I'm going to first of all copy my image prompt because I want to generate both images and videos on that app. So I'm going to copy my image prompt, then go to Dola. Under image, I'm going to, since I don't have a reference image, I'm just generating image for the first time, I'm going to paste my prompt, then choose the aspect ratio and then click on go. Now we say generating your requested images. In less than 30 seconds, it generated the image. So this is the image. One good thing is that I generated 4 images at a go. 4 images, guys. Look at the first one here, the second one here, the third one, and the fourth one. So now I'm confused, like what which image am I to choose? So I had to go for this one last. So I went back to ChatGPT and copied the video prompt. Okay, I copied all the video prompts, the lightning, the audio, the dialogue, the camera angle, and every other necessary details. Then I went back, click on the image and then click on animate. Then I choose the model, Seedance 1.0. That's what I choose, and then I paste my prompt here. Choose the aspect ratio. Okay, this particular model has 5 seconds and 10 seconds, so I choose 10 seconds. Okay, then choose my aspect ratio, which is 16:9. So now I paste my prompt here and click on go. So it says this video will be generated using a Dreamina Seedance 2.0 model. Okay, I choose 2.0 model. Okay, it will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I will send it to you when it is done. You have 2 points left, which means that this app gives you 3 points every day. Each point is a 10 seconds video. Okay, so it gives you 30 seconds video daily per account. That's per email account. Okay, so here, after like 30 seconds, this is what it said. It said, for likeness protections, videos can be generated from images of real people. Use another image or create a video from text. That's where the problem came. I was like, wow, what happened? So I have to go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, why did he refuse to generate the image? You know, ChatGPT was saying maybe it assumes the image that I uploaded was that of a real person. So I went to another model. I went to Gemini and generated the image from there. Let me just try. Maybe it is because I got the image directly from the app. I uploaded the image I got from Gemini and then choose still the same model. I choose 2.0 fast. I pasted my prompt, changed the aspect ratio and every other thing. It still came back with the same thing. Okay, it rejected it. You can see it rejected it. I was like, what is happening? He said I should use text to video prompts, and you guys know that using text to video prompts can be so stressful. So I went back again. What I did now was that I changed my model. You can see what I have there, 1.0. Instead of using 2.0, I now used 1.0, and I was able to generate the video. Yes, Seedance 1.0 was able to animate the video after like a minute or 2 minutes. You can see here it says the video will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I will let you know when it is done. You still have 2 points left today. So guys, in less than 3 minutes the video came out, but there was a problem. There was no audio, no dialogue. Actually, there is an audio. Is there audio here? I think there should be audio here, but no dialogue. I don't know, whichever one, but what I'm trying to say is that it did not say what I asked it to say. Like, this is a dialogue video. The two people are supposed to be talking, but they were not talking. You can see that audio sign there, that volume sign. It is not clickable. It's not active. So I was like, wow. Now what I understand here is that Seedance 1.0 can generate images without audio. Then Seedance 2.0 cannot generate images at all. Like, it can generate realistic images, except you want your image to be 3D, you want it to be cartoon images, you know, that kind of images that doesn't look like real people. So these are the images that you can use Seedance 2.0 model to generate. Okay, then if you want to generate a video, like if there are no audios in your video, like there is no talking in your video, you can just use Seedance 1.0 to generate it. That is, if you'll be the one to add the sound and the audio. Okay, so I have to go back and try text to video. You guys know how text to video is now. Before you get accurate prompts, to maintain consistency is really hard, but I had to try it. Now I said to ChatGPT, can you change the whole story prompt and make it text to video prompt? That's what I asked ChatGPT, and now ChatGPT gave me the whole story from scene 1 to 3. It made it text to video prompt, so I copied it. Now no image prompt, just text to video directly. I copied the prompt, the audio, the dialogue, everything here. I went back to Dola AI, then click on video. This time around, paste my prompt here. Then I went back to copy this one. This is the style of the video. Okay, and also paste it here. This style is very important. So this time around, I choose the Seedance 2.0 fast. I actually want to know why it can't animate realistic images. and I also want to know how the text to video will come out. Okay, so when I paste the text to video choosing that same model 2.0 fast, you can see it there. I choose the aspect ratio and the duration, so my video came out in less than 3 minutes, and this is it.
5 years. I don't know how much longer I can do this.
Please, don't give up on us.
So the video came out very perfect. It came out well. The text to video prompt, it came out very perfect. So I have to go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt here, copy everything here. I went back and paste my prompt, the second prompt, change it to video, still using the same 2.0 fast, the same model. Okay, I also copied this style too to paste it there. So after pasting it, I click on the arrow for it to generate, and it generated again. But here is the issue, guys. It is a different person entirely, like different people entirely, because I did not specify my character. There are no images here, so it cannot generate consistent characters if you do not specify or describe your characters. That is where the problem comes when you are using text to video. So I have to go back to ChatGPT because I said no, I must get this. I have to go back to ChatGPT to tell ChatGPT to describe those people for me. Do you understand? I said, do you remember, that was after some time. I said, do you remember the story you gave me before? There is 3 scenes about the husband and wife married for years. Like I was trying to remind it that story so that it won't make mistake. Okay. Now I said, can you rewrite the prompt with the character Bible template you gave me for the husband, because it already gave me character Bible template but without prompt, so I needed the prompt. This character Bible template is like describing someone, like you describe the person I am, my height, my face, describe how the shape of my face, the shape of my eyes, the color of my skin, my age, my facial look, everything about me, my hair, my dress, and every single thing. That is called the character Bible template. So I said, I asked ChatGPT to give each of my characters Bible templates, like to describe them exactly the way they are. Okay, so it did. It says, yes, I remember. Since you are generating text to video only, I have rewritten it so that every scene begins with the same exact character Bible and consistency block. Okay, it says scene 1, master consistency block, paste exactly as written. It has described my character, both the male and the female one. You can see maintain identical character appearance, facial structure, hairstyle, clothing, every single thing, maintain it. Character A, name Ada, fictional. It now gave Ada age, height, overall face, every single thing. Character 2, David, which is the man, it described him too. Then it also described their apartment. Okay, then after that it now gave me prompts. I want to maintain consistency. I don't want a situation where I will generate scene 1, then when I go back to generate scene 2, it will give me different characters, different thing all together. No, I don't want that. I need character consistency. So because I'm using text to video prompts, that is why I needed this. If I am using a image to video prompts, I may not really need it except on rare occasions. So I have to copy everything that it gave me here. How we describe the man and the woman, that's character A and character B and their apartment. I had to copy it, then copy the video prompt, go back to Dola AI and paste it. Then I clicked on send and let it generate the video. Let me see. Okay, now it has generated scene 1. This is good. This is good. It came out nice.
5 years, and our home is still so quiet.
I still believe our miracle will come.
Well, I love what I got here, but then let me go back and copy the second prompt and know if it will still give me the same exact characters. So I went back to ChatGPT, but first of all, I copied the master consistency block. I copied it and then went back to Dola AI and pasted it. After pasting it, I changed the aspect ratio. I make sure that it maintains the aspect ratio. Remember, this time around I'm using model 2.0 fast. Okay, that's what I'm using this time around. That's the only one that makes it talk. Then I went back to ChatGPT and then copied the second prompt. That's same prompt. You can see I copied the camera angle, the dialogue, and the audio. Then I went back to Dola AI and pasted it. Look at it here. And then I sent. In less than 2 minutes, this is what it gave me.
Maybe it's time we let each other go.
Please, before we end this, let's try IVF.
So guys, this is exactly what I want. Even though I'll be using a text to video prompt, let me have consistent characters. You know, when you are using image to video prompt, you will be able to have consistency characters because you will upload a reference image, but this text to video prompt doesn't have a reference image, so it is very hard to have a consistent characters. Except how I did it, you will go to ChatGPT and describe the kind of characters that you want. Then ChatGPT will help you analyze them well, describe their faces, their shape, their head, their clothes, their age, every single thing. If you have an image that you want to use, maybe your own image or an image that you already generated, you can take it to ChatGPT and tell it to describe this people for you, this person or these people, to describe them for you, so that you can get master consistency block to help you maintain consistency. Okay, so this is what I did also for the third scene, because this particular video has 3 scenes. I did it for the first scene, second scene, the third scene. I copied the master consistency block, then copied the video prompt together, the text to video prompt, then copied it together and paste, and then I was able to get the third scene exactly the same way, nothing changed. So in this particular app, I was able to generate 5 scenes. Yes, each scene is 10 seconds, and that 5 scenes is not with one email. I had to switch to another email so that I can be able to complete my video generation for that day. Remember that each email gives you 30 seconds video daily. It resets the following day, just like Flow AI. So guys, one more thing just before you go. After downloading the video, you can see that the video came with a watermark. Okay, you can see that it came with watermark. Look at the watermark here, Dola AI. That's the watermark. So you go to CapCut to remove the watermark. Don't worry about the watermark, it is just very easy. So you have to go to CapCut. You have to import all the videos to CapCut and then select each video, resize it like this, just this way. Just make the video a little bit bigger. You know, you don't have to post with watermark, right? So you just have to make the video a little bit bigger, just like this, and then the watermark will disappear. Can you see? The watermark is gone completely. You are going to do the same thing for the first scene, second scene, third scene. As many videos as you have there, you are going to do the same for all of them, so that you can remove the watermark that it came with. Then increase the volume. You can as well add animations to your video, or you can add transitions to your video, just to make it make sense. Okay, so this is me adding transition to the video. Once you are done editing, you just go through your video and make sure that everything is correct. You can as well watermark your video. Just give it a name, maybe your name. Yes, your name. Just give it your name. Okay, then go through your video and make sure that everything is nice before you export your video. Okay.